Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Alan Gregorio. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. There's a lot of really interesting stuff happening here, making use of face tracking with meshes and trippy lighting effects, as well as some cool 3D models which in some cases incorporate digital background sets and offer a fully immersive AR experience. Bright colours with reflective lighting setups are especially prevalent, used in a variety of ways, including as textures for assets like glasses or crystals, but also as highlights for models that provide additional visual elements to already well-designed filters. The majority of effects on display here lean into the surreal and take full advantage of the limitless possibilities available to someone who understands how programs like Blender or Maya can integrate with the features of Spark AR. This is a great profile, so I encourage you to go follow Alan Gregorio on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Hi I'm Not Lara. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. So there aren't many filters on this profile, but I wanted to highlight the page because the development from simple to more complex effects is obvious, and it's clear the creator is progressing quickly towards 3D development, incorporating high quality models rigged with facial interactions that take advantage of some of the more advanced features of Spark AR. There are basic split camera effects making use of segmentation and color patches, but it's the most recent release, the Virtual Instagrammer filter, which leaves me wanting more. It's a really cool concept and I'm excited to see what else they can come up with to expand further on this idea. This is definitely an account to keep your eye on, so I highly recommend following Hi I'm Not Lara on Instagram, and there's the filter. Look at that, isn't that really cool? Oh, and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is wondermilk.me. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. There are lots of beauty filters on this page with simple LUTs and makeup effects including eyelashes and skin smoothing that I've not included but are absolutely worth checking out. What I've chosen to highlight instead are some of the more complex effects, which I think are much more interesting both in terms of design and application. 2D graphics are combined with 3D elements in subtle but effective ways, and the well thought out color palettes and lighting setups create unique filters that stand out when compared with other pages showcasing similar effects. There's a lot of really cool stuff going on here that takes full advantage of all the features of Spark AR, as well as some external programs, possibly Blender, maybe 3ds Max, something like that. I highly recommend you check out wondermilk.me, follow her on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Conceptual. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Some of you may know this creator from their YouTube channel where they occasionally upload Spark AR tutorials and AR related content. I actually discovered them when I was first learning how to create filters, but only just found their Instagram a few weeks ago. The effects on display now have developed a lot from those early videos and show a significant progression from getting to grips with the fundamentals and understanding the software to fully fledged 3D models and interactive content. I particularly enjoy the combination of straightforward concept pieces with more humorous meme-based filters that makes it clear this guy really enjoys what he's creating and is having a lot of fun making things that other people can enjoy. If you like what you see, go check out Robbie Conceptual on Instagram, give him a follow, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Tokito. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Some of my favourite AR experiences involve a lot of colour and surreal visuals, and this creator delivers both in spades. There aren't too many filters here, but what is available pushes the envelope of aesthetic choice in a way that I really admire. Combining simple patches and experimenting with different ways of mesh and color always leads to interesting results, but adding segmentation and layered camera effects on top of that opens up infinite possibilities for trippy filters that radically alter the world when viewed through the lens of your phone. There are also mesh effects which add additional elements to the face, and particle effects that interact with the user and are just really cool. This verified creator has over 500,000 followers, so I'm guessing they're a little busy to be putting out new effects every day, but I've definitely saved a few of these to my favorites, and I'm excited for whatever they come up with next. Go follow Toquito on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Josephine Lowe. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This profile has a really interesting visual style, and although I've chosen to omit some of the text-based filters, mainly because I don't speak the language used and don't necessarily understand the context of those effects, what you're seeing here is a pretty good representation of the kinds of content you can expect to find here. Lots of bright and colourful overlays with a variety of animated graphics and border frames make for a cartoonish, almost anime aesthetic. Every filter feels connected through a loose thematic style, but equally disconnected, as though the creator isn't overly concerned with staying too consistent from one to the next. I actually really like this as it keeps things fresh, and each new effect is exciting to try out for the first time. If you enjoy quirky, collage type filters with a handmade feel, then I highly recommend following Josephine Lowe on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Tennessee's. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. Another Asian influence profile with elements of anime and kawaii. Most of the filters you'll find on this page incorporate fairly simplistic makeup effects with more advanced 2D and 3D graphics. Some follow the basic AR formula of tracking objects onto the face and layering them to create depth or contrast, while others take a concept like Demonic and combine assets designed using modeling software with the core features and functionality of Spark AR. My favourites are the bee stinging the face, causing it to swell up, which is super creative and unique, and the Murasaki filter that reminds me of print magazines or the chapter covers of certain manga. There's a lot of really interesting stuff happening with this profile, so I highly recommend checking out Tennessee's. Go follow her on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is by Rafaviana. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This profile feels like a lookbook for some kind of luxury fashion brand, with a number of seasonal themed filters complementing subtle and more elaborate makeup looks alongside meshes which cover the face with designer logos. There are mock-up templates that place the camera inside of a device, mirror or photo frame within a larger image and make for an aesthetically pleasing backdrop when creating story content. The Netflix popcorn filter, which uses 3D models and some simple animated spins, feels somewhat out of place but is still well put together and demonstrates a level of skill that could be expanded upon with future effects. This page is almost certainly targeted more towards a female demographic, but considering how consistently strong the design and execution are in a lot of these filters, I think it's absolutely worth checking some of them out and trying to learn a few things that could elevate the quality of your own projects. Follow by Rafaviana on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show. I'm Sid, and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Sergey Francis G. Check out his profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This account makes significant use of 2D and 3D elements throughout. Particle effects with a variety of textures reference classic video games, and character models from Minecraft and other games are tracked onto the face to create fun AR experiences. There are lots of individual filters that could maybe be combined using screen tap or UI slider features to consolidate everything and make it easier to browse through them all. But one-off masks like the marshmallow helmet are pretty awesome, and if the creator is watching this video, I recommend they DM the artist to see if they're interested in posting it to their own page. The designs here are interesting and show a creator learning their craft while still having a great time just making cool things. Considering how consistently new filters are being released, I'm excited to revisit this account in a year or so to see just how much more refined the filters will become, and look forward to whatever's next. Follow Sergey on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Peace. Welcome to another show, I'm Sid and these are my favourite filters. Today's featured creator is Actual Nature. Check out her profile on Instagram and save their filters to your favourites. This page has a very handmade collage style aesthetic that for some reason reminds me of the graphics from Tracy Beaker. Anyone else remember that show? There are makeup looks with eyelashes, LUTs and sparkly particles, but also colourful backgrounds that make use of segmentation and creative border frames that have the feel of something that was doodled in a notebook and given new life in an AR format. Placing the camera inside of an image or a device like a phone or laptop seems to be a trend right now, but some of these filters have an artistic quality that makes them stand out as uniquely creative. Experimenting with layer combinations and different styles of effects is really paying off, and the art direction highlights the creator's strong sense of individuality. If you want to try any of these filters out for yourself, go follow Actual Nature on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.